There he goes. Dude!
We're pretty close to finishing the bait dropping mechanism on our drone for shark fishing. So, here. So, we got a zip tie attached to the body of the drone, which is attached to some braid, attached to like this little swivel, so it can help with swiveling.
Can I see the swivel? Show me what we got.
Which is then attached to a clothespin.
And what'd you do with the clothespin?
I tied it here.
Okay, but we drilled, what we do?
Oh yeah, we drilled a hole in there. So we can put the string through.
All right, we're gonna do our best to simulate everything that we would do out on the beach for our test for our drone fishing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this into the ground. Our rod in, just like we would if we were at the shore. All right, and I'm gonna attach it to our rod.
We'll step on the controller on accident, it's fine.
Onto here.
It's blurry.
Okay. You want to fly it?
Yeah, here we go.
All right.
3 bars. Time to fly.
Okay.
I'll bring back.
Not off to a good start.
Wait.
So we're gonna try something else. I took my hair tie off, and I'm gonna try this. It makes it a little more, gives a little more, tension. Makes it more taut. So let's try this. I gotta attach it back to the drone. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're gonna give this a shot again. Here, I'll hold it. All right, the bait is on there. It's a little more attached. Yes. Okay, we gotta.
Oh, wait, I mean.
Dude, it's taking it. There you go. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait. You grab it and then.
Yeah! It worked.
Yeah.
How did you get it to get off? What did you do?
I just grabbed.
You just grab that and
shot it forward.
Okay. Okay. Let's try it again.
I'm gonna drop.
I'll go get the bait. We've
Okay,
got it.
sequence
We're
initiated.
gonna try it again. Owen changed some of the settings.
So now we can fly at like 1,200 meters.
Okay,
out there.
so try to fly it to the left of those 2 palms and see if we can drop the bait down a little bit further.
All right, ready?
All right, it's on. The bail is loose. I'll loosen it a little bit. All right, it's pretty loose, dude. Ah.
Here we go.
All right, we got it hooked up again.
Fly up.
Yep, and we got it. The bail's open.
It's still needs to be released. All right, ready? Let's go.
Our line is slack. Okay. It's pulling it.
I'm gonna turn up the speed a little bit.
There he goes. Dude!
Yep.
Oh, yeah! Dude, yes!
Oh boy. Slow. It's gonna go a little bit slow to the beginning. Okay?
Yeah.
Turning up speed. Up again.
Dude, yes. Keep going. Stay away from those. All right, try to drop.
All right, ready?
All right, you want me to tighten the bail?
Yeah,
You want me to
right here.
tighten?
Tighten. go?
All right, go ahead. Yes! Dude! Oh, heck yeah. Dude, that is far out there.
We have succeeded in our drone fish dropping technology. Let's go. Where's the fish?